Hola, Muthoni here, and welcome back to another video. I never say that. Hola, Muthoni here. This is a video about another empty house tour. So I've already done the touring thing, so you're about to watch that footage. So check it out, and then I don't know, we'll see, because that's all this video is going to be about. It's just an empty house tour. This house is going to be a house that we are going to be working on. It's going to be like, not because we have some projects that are coming before you get to see the projects that are going to happen in this house, but the transformation of this house is also going to be on here. So if you want to see how that's going to be, you know, give this a thumbs up so that I know, and also subscribe to my channel. That way you find out when I start sharing. There's an echo if you can't tell, so that you can find out when I start sharing the videos of this house and the projects that I'm going to do in here. So yeah. So this is the dining area. It has a very chandelier and the light fixtures. It has that landlord color as usual. So that's the dining area and living room area. The living room has very good lighting. Let's see. So that's what it looks like from this end. There's a balcony over here. Too bright outside. Balcony. It's a circular-ish one. That's the view from the balcony. Let's look at the rooms. Let's start here. There's this weird space over here. So I don't know what they wanted to do with this. Like they weren't sure what they wanted either. Then there's another space, but this is a lot larger. Sorry for the lighting situation. Then there's the common bathroom. Wow, you can't see anything. There's no bulb in here. Oh wow. Okay, I'll show you this later. There's a bedroom here. This is the second bedroom, not the master. Opens up to another balcony. So that's what that looks like. Cabinets, everything. Oh wait, I did this. Sorry, let's go back and see if we can see the bathroom. Oh, this is something. So here's the bathroom. It's a shower slash bathroom in one. There's a sink behind the door. Hi, that's me. There's a sink here. I like that the thing is not exposed, so that's something. I don't like the situation that is this, but it's okay. This is not a shower that would be mostly used. So I think the idea would be to remove especially this trimmer that's here, and even those ones, they can be removed. Remove this, remove those, because it's not going to really be used as a shower. So yeah, it's just going to be a bathroom. And then this is a master bedroom. From here opens to the same balcony. Yeah, I can put a dresser over here. Yeah, we can have a dresser, because when I was thinking, I was like, oh, it'd be nice to have a dresser in here. And I was like, but where? So just noticed there's a lot of space there, so there can be a dresser over there. So it opens to this balcony, which also doubles up as where you hang your clothes. Not the best of views because all you see is the other side. So, oh, and it's also the laundry area, so yep. And it has these cupboards. Okay, again with the lights. So there's two here. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Oh, it has like a double whatever. Ah, so this is for folded stuff. There's two drawers and random space at the bottom. And they have screws that are like sticking out. I'm not sure why. That's weird. Maybe this one. Okay. Well, that's very stiff. This one's not as stiff. And then let's see. Ah, it's the same as the first one. Okay. Then the bathroom. Oof. This is an interesting color. Let's call it interesting. It's interesting. It only has one sink. Okay, so one sink, but it's large. It's a pretty large sink. I think these parts need to be cleaned a little bit. Yeah, now it'll just come off. There's like a medicine cabinet. It's pretty high. Oh, doesn't have a back. Doesn't have a back. And then there's a light. Okay, I think the power in this place is off. I've tried to switch on the lights. So there's a shower cubicle over here. There's a toilet. It's very stained. Needs to be cleaned. And a jacuzzi. It's interesting, right? There's literally a jacuzzi. And this is a lot of space. Maybe that's why there's that awkward space. It's my sister. Maybe that's why there's that awkward space in the living room. But this is a jacuzzi. I wonder if it works. I hope it does. I hope you don't just fill it with water and the whatever is don't work. But this is very neat. It looks like it's in pristine condition. I just don't like the tiles on the floor. They're not the prettiest. Cool thing, this is something that can be changed. The ones on the wall are actually not bad. It's like similar-ish. These ones look a bit better. Oh, because this one's, the floor ones are the rough kind, and then these ones are very glossy. This mirror is pretty large, so that's my sister. That's my baby sister. That's my baby sister. So yay. Iko na shida, so it has to be fixed. I've been told na mtu anakuja kuangalia at least. So this one is okay. No, don't lift from nyuma, you pull from the front. So if you lift, that's where you experience problems. Then this is, I think ina get stuck hapa chini. Don't lift, ukilift itatoka, tulilift ikatoka, sinaona inainua. So itafixiwa hiyo. So this is the shower. The place has water heater, solar heater. So that's why there are no those electric whatnots. I wonder what they put here, because you can see there's like holes, but that's a cool thing, because then if someone wants to add something here, maybe we can add something here. We'll find out. But I really like that there's so much wall space, because then we can even put wall art in this place. And then even here. Wow, this place has enough space to fit like an entire plant. If you wanted to add a plant, you can even add a plant over here. This battery is dying. Alright, let's go to the kitchen. So the kitchen, there's this door, which is, oops. So next to the dining area, there's the first thing you see. So this is all the kitchen. I wish, honestly, like they didn't put this wall and it was just open till here. Alright, so we have this. So there's that like awkward cut off over there, because this is the top, so it slants like this going to the corner. So this can be turned into a pantry, a storage area, anything anyone would want. We'll probably just then the plan is to just turn it into a pantry because this kitchen doesn't have a lot of storage. It's not huge. It's not the hugest of kitchens. It's not that big, but it's okay. It's not bad looking compared to other kitchens. It looks okay, but of course there's a lot of work that's gonna be done here. The granite top, this pattern, the pattern isn't the problem, the color is, this color is old school. And I'm not a big fan of this color, but you know, okay, people ate fries and left things here. I have, and then I came and just dumped my things over there. So this is what the kitchen looks like. The cool thing about this kitchen is all this light. If you understand filming, I'm at 100 ISO, 3.5 aperture, and at 160. This is what it looks like. The lighting is really beautiful. It has enough lighting coming through. I wish this was clear glass instead of, but this can be changed. It's just been required with silicone. You can remove work a clear glass and then return this afterwards. Okay, that's the storage that's there. So like I said, the storage isn't the most, hence the idea of having to use, oh, is this falling? It's leaning, isn't it? This door at the top. When you look from here, when you look, it's like this, this way. So, say, ooh, okay, so this back is like, it's furad. Why has it furad like that? It's like it's pregnant. Mbao is going to give back to a smaller Mbao. Okay, that's a pregnant Mbao, I guess. So there's that, and then there's the storage now down here, like this. This is that dark, it's a dark brown one. The cool thing about this is it has been painted over with this dark brown thingy. This has that, it's called what? It's like a layer they add on it. I don't know what it's called. And then it has this, the rest of it has been painted. There's those ones where they just leave them like that. So there's plenty of space. You can't even see. Down here there's at least a bit of space that can be utilized. It only has these 3 drawers. So just the 3 over here. This one is shaky and it has random stuff on it. So it only has the 3 drawers. That's where you put your cooker. So I guess the Muthoni would have to be next to it, you see? This is where the other one was. Ah, and the cool thing is you don't have to do that thing of having the cooker connected all the way there. You just connect it through here. Through the cables, and you can switch it on through here. So that's this other side. This is the tile in the kitchen. It has, I don't know if you can tell there, it has like some pinkish stripes. So this is the rough one, and then they have the same version on the wall. So that's what that looks like. Again, not the best of views. Let me just show you, because this one you're just looking at what other people are doing. That's what that looks like. And the cool thing though, double sink. It just doesn't have that thing at the end, which I'm not mad at. Imagine, I'd rather you give me double sinks than you give me one sink with that kachuma on the end. Because yeah, you can still put your thing and just clean it. You know, I'm just saying. So those are the countertops. Let's go back to where we were. Yes, so that is the kitchen. It has this metal rods for curtains, like that. So you just use the 2 hooks by the ones you normally have. And it's the same all over the house, throughout the house. They should have at least painted over here. Like here they can reach with a brush. Sun is shining on me, on me, on me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, you're an awesome person. If you have not subscribed and you've watched this video till the end, what are you doing with your life? But then I found out that that line works, because I've had a couple of people who've been like, oh my god, I just got to that part and I felt so guilty. I won't feel guilty. Subscribe. You can't be watching videos after videos after videos mpaka mwisho, mpaka where I'm over here I'm telling people subscribe. I love for you yourself you have not subscribed. Come on, let's not be those people in 2020. We're gonna be good people who watch videos to the end and subscribe to the channels. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.